Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So I thought I'd come to you guys with a super quick video on how I do my eyebrows because I get so many questions about my eyebrows from my friends, family, co-workers, people on the street, people in the grocery store. Like I get so many questions about my eyebrows, which is really cool and also kind of creepy, but I literally use 2 products on an everyday basis. 3 if I'm trying to be fancy. So I thought I'd show you guys because it's super fast, super easy, and super cheap. So stay tuned if you guys want to find out how I get my natural brows. So first I'm going to take my E.L.F spoolie and just brush out the hairs and get them where they need to be. Next, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeliner in the color Simma Brown Now. I get this eyeliner pencil from Walmart for 93 cents or Dollar Tree for $1. And I'm just going to use light strokes just to kind of fill in the shape of my brow and get the basic outline. And this just kind of darkens it up as we go. I just want to fill in any gaps and slowly build up the front. That's the trick to a natural brow. It's not starting at the very front because natural brows don't start off dark in the very front unless you have like thick brows. And just use the spoolie to kind of blend it out. That gives that natural look. And I personally don't like to go over the shape of my eyebrows because when I thread and wax my eyebrows and tweeze them, I like to tweeze them in the shape that I want so that I don't have to go over. And anytime I do go over, just clean it up with a Q-tip. Especially on the ends where I'm like obsessed with the perfect tail. Q-tips come in handy. Next, I'm going to take this Tinted Brow Mascara. I got this from my local beauty supply store for $2.99. Any brow gel will work. I like this one because it's dark brown. It's not like the clear one that I used to use. So it gives a little bit of color and it really helps with the natural eyebrow. The trick to this brow gel is when you use it, you don't want to go straight from the bottle to your eyebrow. You want to kind of clean up the tip so that you don't have too much product on the mascara wand. So we're just going to lightly brush. If you have too much product, it can look crazy and too dark, so you just want to lightly brush. And this is why we left the front kind of alone, because this is going to fill it in naturally for us. You can go back in with your eyebrow pencil and kind of fill any gaps that you see. So that is all I do for an everyday natural kind of look. I know a lot of people like to kind of carve their eyebrows out with a concealer or a highlighter. I don't necessarily like to do that because it gives you a halo effect around your eyebrows. I like to use my concealer, my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. It's pretty much the exact shade of my skin and it'll make them look sharp without giving that highlight around the eyebrows. So you're just gonna wanna take that and kind of follow your eyebrow shape. Be careful not to mess up the shape you already have. I don't go all the way to the front. For this, you're going to want to use a brush or a sponge, and then I like to go in with my finger later, but first just kind of get something precise in there. And then just kind of brush it out with your finger. Instead of applying product to the top of my eyebrow, I just like to take whatever's left on the brush and kind of use that so that you don't use more product and also you don't get that glow around your eyebrows. Just kind of a natural carve. So that is it, you guys. That is literally all I do to my brows. Like, it's so simple, it's so fast, so easy. I try to tell people all the time how easy it is and no one ever believes me. So I hope this video helped you guys today. I hope you like what you saw. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell if you like what you saw today. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is also linked down below. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.